Okay, hey guys, this is me, Alex. Today I'm just gonna tell you that I've been hearing a lot of weird noises in my house. Sorry that you can't see me. And it's really weird because my cousin's coming over today and we're gonna be staying up all night. And I'm just hearing like weird noises. I don't know why, but I mean, it's really scary. It's like shaking my bedroom and it sucks. So I just wanted to tell you guys that my borders are shaking. I don't know. I mean, I guess I can look out the window. As you guys can see, it's currently 5:50. It's 5:33, and I'm just posting a video. Did you hear that? Dude, look it up. Okay, guys. So I just heard like a noise. You don't do, oh gosh. Do